Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavfire Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 6th June from around the world. Mumbai, the city that accounts for 20% of all novel coronavirus infections in India, has come under scrutiny for its stagnating testing numbers. The city has been testing around 4,000 samples every day, and this number has not increased for over a month now. This, despite the fact that it has the capacity to carry out about 10,000 tests per day, and the number of positive cases that it discovers each day has been on a steady rise. On table for June 6 talks, as Delhi and Beijing move to de-escalate the situation along the line of actual control in Ladakh by scaling up military talks to the level of LT generals. 14 Corps Commander LT General Harinder Singh will lead the Indian delegation. The meeting will be held at the Chinese border personal meeting hut in Chushul, Moldova. LT General Singh will make the opening statement. Never, said PM Modi, should be removed from Delhi. Mamata Banerjee slams opposition. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Friday slammed the opposition parties for doing politics amid coronavirus and post-Amphan destruction, saying she never asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be removed from Delhi. I really feel bad that when we are fighting against COVID-19 and Amphan and working to save lives, some political parties are asking to remove us from power. I never said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should be removed from Delhi, said Mamata Banerjee while addressing at Regreening Coal program on the occasion of World Environment Day. Earlier this week, NASA announced that a giant asteroid is expected to pass Earth on June 6. The asteroid is estimated to be between 250 to 570 meters in diameter, according to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. A near-Earth object, the asteroid is called 163348 and is classified as potentially hazardous asteroid. It's not over until there is no virus anywhere in the world. WHO. Some countries have seen upticks in COVID-19 cases as lockdown ease, and populations must continue to protect themselves against the coronavirus, the World Health Organization said on Friday. It's not over. It's not over until there is no virus anywhere in the world. WHO spokeswoman Margaret Harris told a UN briefing in Geneva. She also said that US protesters must also take precautions when gathering. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.